Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We continue with the lesson on how to join the Arabic alphabet. So now we look at another set of letters. So now we look at ta, and za. So these two letters, they share the same rule. If ta is your first letter in the word, so you draw ta and then get ready to join to the next letter. So ta can be connected to the next letter. If ta is your second letter, so ta can be connected to the previous letter. So this is from your previous letter, and then we write ta and get ready to join to the next letter. And if ta is in the final form, the final letter of the word, so you draw ta and that's it. It takes its original form again. So these are the shapes of ta. The same goes to za. So this is your za, and it can be connected to the next letter. This is if your za in the middle of the word, za, and this is if za is in the final form. Okay, so these are the three shapes of za. Next, we continue with the letter ain and also ghain. Ain and ghain. So these two, they share the same rule. Okay, so this is your first ain, your beginning ain. Okay, and you just draw half of the ain and get ready to join it to the next letter. If your ain is in the middle, you can connect it to the previous letter. So this is from the previous letter, and then you draw this. So that is how ain looks like when it is in the middle of the word. And if ain is in the final form, so this is from the previous letter. Okay, you draw the same shape of the middle ain, but you finish it. It takes its original form again. I mean the last part of it. Okay, so these are the three shapes of ain. Ghain is similar to ain. So this is your ghain. This is your middle ghain, and this is your final ghain. Okay, so these are the three shapes of ghain. So we have ta, za, ain, ghain. And next, we look at the letter fa, and the letter qaf. So these two is similar in terms of the rule as well. Fa, qaf. So this is your beginning fa. You take the half of the fa and then get ready to join to the next letter. If fa is in the middle, it can be connected to the previous letter. You just make a circle and join it to the next letter. So this is also fa. And if fa is in the final form, so this is from the previous letter, you make a circle and then complete the shape of the fa. So these are the three shapes of fa. And for qaf, it is similar to fa. So this is your qaf, beginning qaf. It can be connected to the next letter. This is your middle qaf. It can be connected to the previous and also to the next letter. And this is your final qaf. So for qaf, here it differs from fa. Qaf, you have to go down, then only you go up. So if you compare the shape of fa and qaf, so here, this is where you see the difference. And the next letter is kaf. Okay, so for kaf, when it is in the beginning of a word, so this is the shape of the kaf. Okay, that is kaf in the beginning. and kaf can be connected to the next letter. If kaf is in the middle of the word, so it can be connected to the previous letter, okay, and then it takes the same shape of the beginning kaf. Okay, so that is also your kaf. And if kaf is in the final form, so here this is from the previous letter, you go up and then it takes its original form again. Okay, so these are the three shapes of kaf. And as usual, we do some practice. Let's say you want to join these letters ta, ain, fa, kaf, and ghain. Okay, so this is your ta, and ta can be connected to the next letter, so we join to the next letter, which is ain. And if you look at the rule of ain, it can be joined to the next letter as well. It can be joined to the previous letter as well as the next letter. Next, we are going to connect it to fa, and from fa we are going to connect it to kaf, and finally we are going to connect kaf to ghain. Okay, so here you go. This is your ta, ain, fa, kaf, and ghain. Okay, this is how it looks like. Okay, we try another example.